Hi guys! Here is the update of that problem I mentioned in the previous finale video regarding the rotting ceiling in the terrace due to constant heavy rains. Well, finally, that problem is solved. It is not cheap, but the main thing is it is solved. Actually, the end result is very nice as it shows in the photos. All the rubbish in the gutter are clean as well, and Volca seal is applied to the T-screws to stop further leaking.